Hey friends, welcome to the new subscribers, and thank you for the returning subscribers. I really appreciate that you come back. And today I'll be making a card with these paper napkins here. I got these from the Dollar Tree store. And I'll be using this craft color cardstock to make my card on. I'll be using some glue. I don't know which kind of glue, but I'll be using some glue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and use one of these paper napkins. Oh, sorry for the rattling. Oh, this thick napkins. I'm going to take and try to pull it apart. Apart. And try to peel it. Try to peel it. Sometimes they pull apart real easy. Is this 2-ply or let me see. You have to pull the paper apart like the new napkin apart like this. And it'll be easy with it. This is like a 2-ply napkin. And the reason you got to do this so when you glue it down on your cardstock, it won't peel up. You can make like 2 cards with this. I'm just going to cut it here. I'm going to use the Santa. For the card. See which part I'm going to use. Probably that there. You're going to take and do that with your napkin. And I'm going to take and put glue all over this. Should I use this glue? Let me try this glue. I'm going to use some of this around the edges. Just put lots of glue on it. lots of glue, and then you're going to take and figure out where you want this to go on there. Your piece of napkin. This can make 2 cards. We'll cut it in half. Cut it down the... I gotta see where I'm gonna put this. Situate it about where you want it to go. And make sure you get all your wrinkles out. And get all the air bubbles out of there. Put that on your cardstock. And then you're going to just cut away the rest of the paper on the edges. That I thought this was a pretty napkin. Make a card out of it. I see a lot of people do this on YouTube, use napkins to make cards with. And that's the way it looks. And that glue makes it stick really good on there. And then you can take your one of your sentiments and put on here somewhere. This is so big. Let's see. And then put your sentiment somewhere. I had already stamped these earlier. A whole bunch of these. I'm going to figure out where to put this. Maybe about there. That might be good. Make a little bit more this way. And let me get some of this popped up. Some of this sticky tape. Pop sticky tape. I'm going to put it on the back of here. And I guess I'll put it about right there. I say Merry Christmas. And that's my card. I made it out of napkins. And that sticks pretty good when you use this kind of glue. And then all you got to do is write your sentiment in them inside of the card. I think I made my card a little crooked. And that turned out pretty cute. And that's my card for hashtag Card Making With Me Friday. And if you want to join along, just use hashtag Card Making With Me Friday and make a card so everyone can see it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. And be blessed. Bye-bye.